So we've got to draw here the box and whisker plot, okay, using the information here. So we need to determine a scale in this question because we were given a blank canvas, and you can see here I put my scale down there. Okay, so that's the scale really that's going to work for this question. I did look to see whether I could go up in tens, okay, because you can see here the lowest one is 30, okay, and if I went up in tens from 30, starting here, to see if it would fit in, but it wouldn't, because I did 30 here, then 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. I need to go up to 140, so there wasn't enough of, to do that sort of scale there. So I've gone up in 20s, so I can fit it all in. Now when it comes to box and whisker plots, the first thing I sort of look at is for the median value, okay? So I will work my way from the centre outwards, and median is in the centre, isn't it? It's the middle, so £60. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to draw a line here at £60, okay, on my scale, okay, to represent my median. If you want, you can write up the M for median if that helps you. So we're working our way from the centre, as I said, outwards. The median's in the centre, then we're going to look for the lower and upper quartiles. So the lower quartile then is 50, okay, £50, so £50 is going to be here between 40 and 60, so draw another line for the lower quartile, and then the upper quartile then, where is it, here is 100, okay, so we're going to draw a line at 100 there, okay, and what you do then is with the three lines you complete your box, okay, so you've got your box then with a median there, lower quartile, upper quartile. Now there's our box, but we now need to create the whiskers, okay, and we do that with the least and maximum, or the least and greatest value. So you can see here the cheapest one is 30, okay, so 30 then will be our least, so we can identify where 30 is here, and with that now you draw a line, okay, but the line needs to be about half the size of it, okay, and you sort of center it with that box, okay, in mind. So I think I've got 30 right on my scale there, yeah. Okay, so it's, as I said, the line's about half the size of this line and sort of centered with the box. And you're going to join that up then to sort of create a whisker like that, okay. The same then with the upper, okay. The upper quartile is, what is it? Not the upper quartile, sorry, the most expensive then. Okay, the greatest 140. So I go to 140, which is right at the end. Okay, and I create then my whisker there, okay, so then you could see them, and one thing I do to improve this, okay, is try and get those whiskers to line up, okay, so I think I've missed out that there, but I should go there, I think, okay, but other than that, got a perfect box and whisker pot.